Well, this is a confusing and frustrating case. It has to do with mental health laws to protect people and the criminal justice system and the fact that the two can't communicate. You know, Richard Penney appeared in two courts today. He appeared here at Stratford Superior Court, hoping a judge would dismiss those charges, which he did, and then he appeared in Rochester Circuit Court to face two new stalking charges. The county attorney and police admitting that they are trying to slow this process so they can figure out whether Penney poses a danger to himself or the community. 38-year-old Richard Penney was accused of stealing his brother's guns, threatening him, holding another woman hostage, and engaging in a standoff with police in January of 2013. Then he was found incompetent to stand trial. He was in Superior Court on Tuesday asking to have charges dismissed because of a law that says if he is not deemed competent within 12 months, the charges have to be thrown out. The judge agreed. The issue with authorities is they aren't confident that it's safe for him or the community if he's freed.
We deem him at the time a significant danger to the public, and we have no information one way or another to show whether that dangerousness has changed.
By law, they don't have access to mental health records to know if he's been reassessed or even when he'll be released.
It's difficult to be able to adequately represent the people of Stratford County as well as to adequately ensure that Mr. Penney's rights are not violated when I don't have all of the information. But that's how the system is set up. It's set up as a medical protection for Mr. Penney.
On this same day, Penney appeared in Circuit Court to face two new charges of misdemeanor stalking. He's accused of calling one of the victims in the case twice in violation of bail orders.
The charge was brought was because a crime occurred, but in the process that may allow for a reevaluation of his competency. He's either going to be found incompetent or restorable, and then he's charged on everything.
Again, to point out, if Penney is found competent at some point, those charges could be brought forward again. Meantime, he will be back in court on December 8th to face those stalking charges. In the meantime, his bail was set at $25,000, but he could be released at any time to the Community Corrections Program. We're live in Dover. Jennifer Crompton, WMUR News 9.